All right, let's do number 10 now. Okay, if you look at it, there's a couple different ways you can cut out the main square, I guess. But if you remember from 7 and 8, there's only one way to cut out a diagonal. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest way to cut the entire object out at once. So we've got our 5 by 3 by 2 object. So we want to go start 2D sketch. And for this one, we're going to click on the front side. And I like to see the whole thing. Okay. So again, we can choose the line tool. Now, if you notice, the flat unchanged part goes in 3 inches. Okay. So that means we know that we could draw a line from the upper right-hand corner over to the left 2 inches. Okay. So we hit 2, enter. Okay. And again, make sure that that is a straight line. Okay. I'm going to hit escape to get the line off of my cursor. Okay, so I've got 3 and 2. Okay, so from that end of that 2-inch line, we are going to draw another line. So get our line tool, make sure it's the green dot, click, and it's going to be straight down. Okay, if something happens that it doesn't go straight, remember we can tab and change that to a 90 degrees, okay, and tab back. So again, looking down at our drawing, okay, the whole thing is 2 inches high, right? But we have 1 left over. Okay, so we know that this line has to be 1. Enter. Okay. So then we have to go back to the right, and we're essentially drawing kind of a chair looking thing. Okay. So it's going to be another straight line, and it tells us how long, which is again a 1-inch line. So 1, enter. And to finish this, we just need to draw that diagonal line to the corner and complete the shape. Okay. So if you notice, the entire thing is highlighted in a purple line, and that usually indicates that that's a full closed line. So if you don't have that color, it's not necessarily bad, but if you look over to the left, as long as you're on one sketch and you've closed the entire shape, then you should be good. So click Finish Sketch, Extrude, and again, we're going the entire way, and okay, and that's number 10 for you.